Yeah.
We're history buffs, and we just love this area.
More like history nerds.
Pretty much. To be able to peek inside one of these homes is such a treat. Oh, hey, Susie, this might take a while.
Come back next Tuesday.
Okay. Oh, this is a lovely room to greet guests.
Yes, ma'am. And look, there's a little hat stand for my shop.
Perfect place to hang your hat.
There you go. Wow, very nice entry room.
I say let's start the tour right through this archway.
That archway is fantastic.
Oh, wow. This dining room is spectacular.
Yeah, very dramatic.
I love this chandelier. It's gorgeous. And here's our friend Mordecai.
Oh, it's our old friend, Mordecai Miller, gentleman of the house. Hello, Mordecai. That's really nice.
Really, really stunning dining room.
On to the next room. It's a doozy.
Wow.
Hello, dream kitchen. My goodness.
This is a dream kitchen, and I don't even cook, and it's a dream kitchen.
Where do you start?
The cabinets. The cabinet space in this kitchen is phenomenal. And look at this stove.
A thermidor.
Wow.
6-burner stove.
Oh my gosh, this table.
And the great skylight above.
Oh, and there's 2 skylights. But the light coming in, look at this patio.
Yeah.
I mean, your
Traditional
eye is
Old
just
Town.
drawn the whole way down.
This is an entertainer space for sure.
Oh, it is.
And you have a fireplace. And then you have a TV, which it seems like
Well, it's perfect
it's culinary
for me.
school for you.
Well, it is, since, I'm not the best cook in the world. I can just sit here and watch a cooking show and try to make something.
That would be amazing.
It might even be edible.
I doubt
I
it.
doubt it. Okay, so I need to find the most important appliance, because I call it the hidden dishwasher.
Well,
I know this is the fridge.
yeah, but that's
okay?
pretty much a hidden fridge.
It is. It's gorgeous with the panels. But I need to find the hidden dishwasher, because I've got
By the
to
way,
have
a
a
second,
dishwasher.
you don't do dishes.
I know, but that's why I have to find the dishwasher. It's hidden. It's hidden so well. Okay,
No,
that's
it's a drawer.
This is the sink.
It's got to be next to the...
Voila. Okay, the kitchen is complete now that I found a dishwasher. I could spend all day watching TV, eating, and then you can do the cooking.
This is the heart of the home, and this is where I would live all the time.
I can't wait to check out the downstairs.
Let's do it. Going down through my favorite part of the house, this beautiful stairwell with this dramatic wallpaper and the skylight. And wow, look at these floors.
I bet these floors are original to the home.
Oh yeah, for sure.
And it goes on
And on.
and on.
That's a lot of storage.
It is. If the downstairs looks this great, I cannot wait to see the rest of the house.
look like?
Let's go take a look. Okay, so let's go upstairs. Oh, this is a cute room.
Yeah, not big, but cute.
And I love the white accents with the rafters.
Yeah, me too.
But
very
look
nautical.
at this patio space.
Shining star.
This
Talk
is
about
amazing.
it. Yeah, another great living space.
Oh, it
that
is.
You can just chill out up here.
But you know what I love even more? Because I love my gardening.
Yeah.
You can have these gorgeous baskets, and then you overlook the beautiful garden down.
And you can play putt-putt at the same time.
We could. This garden, this patio space is absolutely stunning.
Yeah, but I think we have 7 more levels to check
Oh,
out.
boy. Let's go back in the house. Okay, the tour continues.
Yeah, but take a look at this. This is actually where the original part of the house would have ended.
Oh,
and
you're
this was
right.
all the addition that was put on later. So we're about to go into the original part
Well,
again.
they did a great job of combining the new with the old. It blends right in. Wow, look at the shower.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Up to date.
Finishes, huge, nice size. But look at this soaking tub.
Wow.
Oh, that is nice. You could soak in there all day.
Yes. Mixing the old with the new. This bathroom has everything. Oh my gosh, even
It does
a
have
fireplace.
everything.
Okay, well, before we tackle the next set of stairs in this beautiful house, let's check out the owner's suite here. Front of the house gets really great exposure.
It does.
And look at those windows. They are stunning. Look how marbled the glass is.
Oh, it's just another great room.
Well, shall we go onward and upward?
Let's continue. Okay. Oh,
I made it to the
bedroom.
top.
You did.
I made it to the top of the house.
Another bedroom.
It's just as big as the one downstairs. Has another fireplace.
I know you love
And
that.
it's got these great transoms, too.
Okay. Oh, how cute. You know when we told Susie we were going to look at every nook and cranny in this house?
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
because they've utilized every space in this house.
Every nook.
And cranny.
Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am.
Let's continue. Oh, and another cute room.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me. There cannot be another staircase in this
Come
house.
on, come
I
on,
just
one
can't.
more. Come on, let's do it.
No, you
Come
go.
on.
You,
We've gone this far. Let's go. Come
All
on.
right. Okay. One more floor, but if there's another floor above that, then we're...
That's it.
Okay.
See, I told you it'd be worth it.
Yeah, there are no more stairs that go up, so it's perfect. Oh,
Look at this
this is
space.
so nice. What a room.
Oh, it's great.
I love the beams.
And I know these are part of historical homes here in Alexandria.
Yeah, very typical for the top level. So-
And you know what's nice is you don't bump your head.
No, this is a great room. This would be my room. I call it.
That's fine. Do you have a price point in mind?
I do have a price point in mind.
I bet I have the right one, though.
I bet I do too.
I bet you don't.
I bet you're wrong.
Keep going. Wow, what a great house. Do you think Susie's still out there?
I certainly hope so. Hey, wait a second. Felt like something just grabbed my arm. It's so bizarre.
I think it's time to go.
It's weird.
Hey, Susie.
Oh, hi.
Hey, Susie. Wow, that house.
Yeah, what'd you think?
So I would have to say my favorite part of the whole house is that they took all the historical features and put in modern features that really made it a nice blend.
Yeah, the kitchen is a wow. I love the skylight over the staircase downstairs. It's just a beautiful, beautiful room. But the whole house is great.
The whole house is wonderful. I mean, we really could go on, and I'm sure we missed things.
We'll take it.
Let's remember the house is 4 levels, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, with 2 outdoor living spaces. And then there's 2 more details I didn't let you know about. The first is that the portrait of Mordecai comes with the house.
That makes it sweet.
And the second is that the owners are throwing in 2 years of parking at the garage around the corner.
That's also very nice.
That does change things for me.
It does.
The painting in the parking spot.
Okay, I am going to make a guess of 2.2 million.
Christine?
I think that's a good guess, but I'm thinking you're a little high. I'm gonna go with 1.8 million.
Well, since the rules are that you can't go over, Christine, you're the winner on this one.
Yes, thank you,
Congratulations.
thank you, thank you.
The list price is $1,995,000.
Let me bask in this glory.